Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The pores of the Buddha's body radiate the light of wisdom. That light intones a sublime sound everywhere. All who hear it are free from worry and fear. Takshaka realizes this way. The lands, adornments, and succession of ages of all the Buddhas of all times appear as they are in the Buddha's body. Broad Step sees this spiritual power, observed the Buddha's practice in the past, making offerings to the oceans of all Buddhas, increasing his joy with all of them. This is the entry of Naga Swift. The Buddha, by means of expedient sound adapted to type, expounds truth for the masses, making them rejoice. That sound is pure and sublime, enjoyed by all who hear. Going everywhere, hearing this, joyfully awakens. Sentient beings are oppressed in all states of existence, whirled about by habitual delusion with no one to rescue them. The Buddha liberates them with great compassion. No heat or torment realizes this. Furthermore, the Yaksha king Vaishravana found the door of liberation, saving evil beings by means of boundless skill in means. The Yaksha king Independent Sound found the door of liberation, examining all sentient beings, saving them with appropriate techniques. The Yaksha king Solemn Weapon Bearer found the door of liberation of ability to give sustenance to all emaciated, evil sentient beings. The Yaksha king Great Wisdom found the door of liberation, extolling the ocean of virtues of all sages. The Yaksha king Lord of Flaming Eyes found the door of liberation, observing all sentient beings and engendering great compassion and knowledge. The Yaksha king Adamantine Eye found the door of liberation, aiding and comforting all sentient beings by various appropriate means. The Yaksha king Arm of Courage and Strength found the door of liberation, entering into the meanings of all teachings. The Yaksha king Bravely Resisting General found the door of liberation, guarding all sentient beings, causing them to abide in the way, with none living in vain. The Yaksha king Rich in Material Goods found the door of liberation, increasing all beings' stores of blessings and virtues, and causing them to always feel blissful.